Right, as you can see, I've got some really nice pieces of wood here. This is the piece that's going to be my main piece in my tank, 1.2 meter by 50 by 50. So I'm going to bolt some branches on here so I can attach the Monte Carlo or the moss on here. I'm going to use some different pieces of spider wood that I'm going to attach here, and I'm going to attach that with some glue from Aquascape, some hardscape glue. This adhesive doesn't work so nice, so I'm going to use this wood, and you can see I've got some really different pieces of wood here that's going to be part of my Aquascape. Some nice long ones to create some depth in here. I've got this nice piece of spider wood here as well from Sam's aquarium that I'm going to cut off these little pieces. That's very important so I can create some roots on my rock. And I've got some other pieces here that I'm going to create some small bonsai trees. Look at this beautiful piece here. Oh man, it's a beautiful piece. Look at that. So yeah, that is really, really nice. Look at this one as well. That looks like a seahorse on there with some horns. Really nice. This one is also going to be a nice, I'm going to form this a nice tree as well. Just use some different branches and different pieces to create a nice nice bonsai tree. You can see it's my workstation. Really very nice. I'll show you how it's going to look when it's finished. Right, I just attached this piece here onto this piece of wood. So I used some paper towel there, you can see, and within a couple of seconds it's really quite hot. Look, you can pick up the whole thing. So what I'm doing is cover the paper. I'm going to put some glue in, and I'm going to take some dust, and I'm just going to throw it in there. I'll show you how it's going to look afterwards to hide that toilet paper. It's looking pretty nice. What you can see here, I've put some toilet paper in there. This branch we're going to let hang down, because when the Monte Carlo's on here, it's going to go down, and that's going to go really down. So all I do is I'll just put this glue just a tiny little bit in there. Make some smoke, but you can't see the smoke now. Here in a couple of seconds this will be like really, really good there. Just a little tiny little bit more in there. There it goes. That's it. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then that's it. There we go. Take my tweezer, just working it very nice in there. Yeah, it's already hard there. Just make it sure that oh, I can feel it. It's hard. There it's set. And that's gonna look nice when the roots, like roots, hanging down. I think it is quite cool. Okay, I've made a mistake there. You see that one there? I've put it on, I've pressed it without the rubber band, and it didn't hold because I couldn't manage it because I'm alone. So one other way to do it is to take a rubber band, just tighten it with the rubber band, squeeze in your toilet paper, and then putting the drops in there, and then it's holding. And then I can take the rubber band off. Easy, easy peasy. Rubber band is off, and it's holding. Yes! No more tissues, no more glue. And here is my tree that I've built. You can see all the different branches that I've added. All good. It's going to be nice to put the moss or the Monte Carlos on. Looking forward to it. Next video.